Hey guys, Aquahopper, welcome to my channel. I realized that we've never done any baked goods on here, so I decided that today we're going to bake a yummy banana cake. Now what you will need, 2 bananas mashed. Make sure they're soft. That black kind of banana you want to throw away, don't throw it away. We're going to make a cake with it. So this is the dry ingredients: 2 cups flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 tablespoon baking soda, and a little bit of salt. So here is the wet ingredients. For the wet ingredients, you need 1 stick of butter or 5 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of light brown sugar, remember, and half a cup of cane white sugar. So you mix that together. This is a quarter buttermilk. Now, if you want all the ingredients and the measurements, you can also head out to my blog, nanaashanti.com, or click the description box. I'll leave a link directly there. You can go. For some reason, it was so cold inside in New York City, I could not get my butter to cooperate in room temperature. So it was still a bit frozen. So if it happens to you, don't get nervous. It is going to come out perfect. So 3 eggs, 1 at a time, to make sure it's even and, folded in correctly. And I'm also kind of superstitious, so that goes for that, I guess. But just follow it. If you follow the recipe and the ingredients to the T, you're going to have a very light, fluffy banana cake. You can also follow my social media at Nana Ashanti Blog on Twitter, Instagram, and also on Facebook. All right, so keep mixing. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon vanilla extract, or maybe a little more, because I kind of like how it makes it taste and look and smell. So that is amazing. You can add 1 more, but just like 1 tablespoon is just fine. All right, so next up, we're going to add the thing that we did in the minute. We mashed the bananas. So pour that mixture into the wet mixture, and then we will just cream it for a second. Do not overdo it. Take it easy. Make sure your speed setting is on 1. And then that will be all for this. Next thing, fun part, is for you to fold in the dry mixture, the flour and everything that we added. We're going to fold it into this wet mixture. Now, I want you to take it gently and be very patient with this. The goal here is to make sure you have a uniform texture. Nothing extraordinary. Just make sure you fold it in. All right, so patience, fold it over and everything. Also, you can add a bit of salt. If you want to add chocolate chip, this will be the right thing for you to do now. And I was also thinking when I was eating this, I should have added some raisins to it. So that's also something for you, whatever it is that you're into. This will be a good time for you to add it to add a little bit of fun to your cake. So grease the bundt pan, because it's notorious for having like food sticking in it. What I do is I just grease it with some butter, and then I also put a little flour in the bottom of it so I can take it out when I'm ready. So transfer that mixture into the bundt pan. It isn't the nicest looking thing in the world, but I promise you it is very, very delicious. So we're going to bake this at 350 for 40 minutes. Now, how you know it's ready is at 40 minutes, either put a toothpick, a skewer, or a fork in it. And if it comes out clean with no batter sticking to it, you know you're ready to go. So this is what I got. It's amazing. It's nice. I filled it up with some blueberries, some pomegranate, and I dusted it with a bit of, powdered sugar. You can add a bit of chocolate drizzle, peanut butter glaze, whatever you want, because when you cut into this cake, look what comes out, right? Isn't that beautiful? It's so yummy. So this is it for you guys. Hope you enjoyed Mukase today. Subscribe, thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts. And try it also. I want you to get this. Take care.